So I am making my Santa Gnome Soap. So I already did a video on how to use this extruder set to create this Santa Gnome. So that's what you'll get for that. And then what I'm going to do is I also made this present. So this is made from, basically I just poured a square in the tube mold, which Brambleberry sells. I believe you can find it on Amazon and Etsy as well. It's just the square tube mold, column mold. And then I made a bow and I extruded the bow and I put it on top so it looks like a present. So the goal is that it's an extra large present. I'm gonna put him and the present. I want it to look like they're kind of standing in snow. So I'm going to embed those in. Hopefully this white will set up. Because right now it's not setting up. I stick blended it to death. Which way do I want the hat going? Anyways, then I'm going to pour a blue sky with white shredded soap in it so it looks like it's kind of snowing. That's my plan, my goal, I hope. Yeah, so the Santa is look at that. The present, snowy sky with the Santa gnome. And the present on top. Oh. Isn't it cute? I'm really pleased. Oh. That is super sweet. I really like that. I'm glad this came out. It was so much work to make this. My beard came up just a little bit on that guy. But that's okay. I love it. It's adorable. Oh my gosh. Look at him! I think the Santa gnome is probably my favorite of the gnomes I've made, and I just love the little snow and the presents. I don't know if you can see, but can you see the shimmer that the snow has? Ah, oh, I am thrilled. This is super cute. I am so pleased. Let me know what you think. Oh, I just love the Santa gnome. I know I just said that like 3 times, but it's really true. I really love him. There you have it. Scented and pepperberry wreath from Nature's Garden. Smells really good. It's more fruity,